In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design icons in Figma from scratch. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting, this guide will walk you through the essential steps to create clean professional icons using Figma's powerful tools. Let's jump right in. First, head over to Figma's website. Figma is a cloud-based design tool that's perfect for collaborative interface design, offering a robust platform to create everything from simple wireframes to intricate digital illustrations. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. If you haven't already got one, it's simple to set up, and best of all, Figma offers a free plan, which is perfect for trying out new ideas without any commitment. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Figma homepage. This is your creative hub where you can access all of your design files and projects. To begin designing an icon, navigate to the design area. This is where the magic happens. Here you'll find a range of tools that will help you bring your creative ideas to life. Next up, you'll want to select Shape from the toolbar. Shapes are the building blocks of icon design. Squares, circles, and triangles can all be combined and manipulated to form the basis of your icon. When drawing these shapes, think about the form and function of your icon. It's best to keep it simple and legible at various sizes. Once you've got a basic shape down, click on Vector. This handy tool allows you to create custom shapes and paths which can add unique details to your design. You can adjust anchor points, curve lines, and create precise angles, giving your icon a polished and professional look. The Vector tool is essential for any designer looking to create bespoke, scalable icons that look great on any device. Finally, let's talk about strokes. Click on Stroke to adjust the outline of your shape. The stroke tool lets you change the weight and style of the lines that define your shape, which can drastically affect the overall look of your icon. Thicker strokes can make your icon stand out, while thinner strokes can give a more delicate appearance. Experiment with different line styles and weights to see what works best for your design. And there you have it, you've gone from opening Figma to crafting a custom icon from scratch using basic shapes, vectors, and strokes. This step-by-step guide is just the start. The more you practice and experiment with Figma's tools, the better you'll get. Don't forget to explore Figma's community resources for inspiration and additional tips. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.